Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube. If this is your first time, I am Chrissy and thank you guys for joining me today. So today is going to be a hair review. This unit is from Nabeauty and this is something different. I never did a unit like this. This is an ombre. This is the 1B27. This is a 20-inch unit and it's the body wave. I'm not sure what density this hair is. It can't be that much. The only thing I don't like about this unit is that it's not that thick. I think I should have asked for a unit that was high density. I like it so far though. It curled pretty well. It shedded a little bit. I don't know if it was prior to after the plucking, but it was shedding a little bit before the plucking. I actually wanted to cut this unit and I kind of wanted to cut it and like make it into a bob, but I think I'm going to do that in my next video for this unit when I do another review on it. But this time I'm just going to curl it and see how it looks before I get to completely changing the whole look of this unit. I'll give this unit a solid 8, 9.5. The only thing is because of the shedding, and the only other reason is that it's not that high in density. If they give an option for density, definitely go up on the density if you purchase a unit such as this one. So this is my first time actually doing a unit this color. I'm getting the hang of it. It's cute. I actually like it though. I didn't think that it was gonna look like this on me. In the box I was extremely scared when I undid the packaging. I was like, I don't know what that's gonna look like on me, but we're gonna give it a try. I used the Got To Be spray to hold it down, and I just plucked the middle part and also used a powder and also a concealer to conceal and for the part to look more natural. I did bleach the knots, but it didn't bleach. I think that was my fault. I was kind of rushing and I don't think I let it sit as long as I usually let it sit. So it didn't bleach through like I wanted it to, but as you can see, it's still blending in perfectly fine. And it's also a way that I actually pluck it. I pluck it where I actually pluck out the knots. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's how I make my parts look so much more natural. So all the information for this unit will be down below, and like I said, I'll give this unit a solid 8 or 9. So don't forget that it's a 1B27 and it's 20 inches. Now they do have other inches, but I went with 20. I'm always going with long hair, or I'm always going with short hair, so I wanted to do something different this time. And also I have a discount code. It's Chrissy10 for 10% off on any unit or any bundles that you get from Nabeauty. I feel like I can create something extremely fierce with this unit for this time of the year, so stay tuned for that because I will be doing something else with this unit. I have a few things in mind, so be on the lookout for that. See you guys in my next video.